This is a very steep slope, so we're showing if it can go inside. Ah yes, no problem at all. Yeah, it's even like 35 degrees, right? Yeah. Okay, so no problem. Yeah, you can let it go back. So this shows that it can transfer from one location by using that one. That's good.